Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to change a folder or app icon in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Changing folder or app icons in Windows 10 is a great way to personalize your desktop and make navigation more intuitive. Here's a step-by-step guide for both. Change a folder icon. Right-click the folder you want to customize. Select Properties. Go to the Customize tab. Click Change Icon. Choose an icon from the list or click Browse to select a .ico file from your computer. Click OK, then Apply. Tip: you can find free .ico files on sites like Icon Archive, Flat Icon, or Convert PNGs using tools like Convert.ico. Change an app icon. Shortcut. Right-click the app shortcut on your desktop or in File Explorer. Select Properties. In the Shortcut tab, click Change Icon. Pick a new icon or browse to a custom .ico file. Click OK, then Apply. If the app doesn't have a shortcut, create one first. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.